To use voice typing on Samsung Galaxy A07, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to enter general management, scroll down and look for it, it should be right there. Then go for a Samsung keyboard and that way we can scroll down and here we need to find voice input. Now make sure that you have either Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Typing selected, and after that we can go back and pop open our keyboard. Then look for the microphone button, which on other devices is usually right here, but on Samsung you can find it right here. Now if you click on this button and allow any permissions it will ask for, you'll be able to voice type. So now technically if I'm speaking it will show exactly my words written in keyboard. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.